Let's make the ultimate pulled pork grilled cheese sandwich on the griddle.
Start by adding Country Crock Drizzle and Sizzle to the griddle for that perfect buttery base. The convenient mess-free bottle makes it easy. And it's resistant to burning up to 400 degrees, so I can throw down my pulled pork to warm up with no worries. Listen to that sizzle. I'm spreading the Country Crock Drizzle and Sizzle on the outside of my sourdough bread, and it'll help it get that perfect crust. Now to assemble the sandwich, add a few slices of Havarti cheese and then a generous layer of that warm buttery pulled pork. Drizzle some barbecue sauce for an extra flavor kick. Top it off with some slices of smoked sharp cheddar cheese, and then complete your sandwich with another slice of sourdough bread. Place your sandwich on the hot griddle and listen to that satisfying sizzle. Flip the sandwich after a few minutes to achieve a golden, crispy finish on both sides, and the cheese should be perfectly melted. Then you're going to head inside and cut the sandwiches in half and plate them up. These sandwiches brought together my family where we could enjoy a tasty meal. You can't beat sharing good food with great company. Country Crock Drizzle and Sizzle is perfect for cooking, topping, and spreading.
And now we can enjoy the taste of country home cooking in every bite. Let's eat, y'all.